Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're most welcome. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I maintain my curly wave. It's really easy and it's like something you do ASAP. So I'm going to put my hair in sessions and I'm going to spray. Usually I use warm water. For some reasons I just feel really comfortable using warm water, because washing my hair I use warm water, though you can as well use cold water, but personally I prefer warm water. I'm just really comfortable using warm water. So I'm going to spray my hair, and while spraying the hair I'll gently massage the hair just so the water will get to every strand of the hair to make it really soft and nice. So after doing this, I'm going to brush my hair using my hairbrush. Anyways, just keep watching. So now I'm going to brush my hair starting from the tip and work my way up. Guys, I'm going to say this, it's actually best to brush your hair from the tip and work your way up instead of brushing your hair like all the way, just to avoid unnecessary tangling. So just see how nice this looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so pretty. So guys, this is like how I maintain my curly wave. No conditioner, no nothing, just water, and I'm good to go. Oh my goodness, this is such a beauty. I'm so excited. Now I'm going to continue putting the hair in sessions and continue with this process. And yes, I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, you guys are actually going to see this. Just keep watching. I just realized I didn't show you guys what this hairbrush looks like. So this is the hairbrush I use, and this is like half wet and half dry. So I'll just continue the same process with the rest and show you guys what this looks like. So ta-da, we're done. This is really nice. So basically guys, this is how I maintain my curly hair. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thank you. See ya.